Are you looking for a crypto card that really works? Like really works without all the fees and limits? Well, stick around because you're about to discover the BlackCard, the world's first crypto debit card that lets you top up and spend with absolutely no limits. That's right, no transaction fees, no ATM fees, and no caps on your spending. It sounds almost too good to be true, but this card is the real deal. Here's the deal. To get your hands on a BlackCard, you need to stake at least $1,000 in BCCoin. But that's not just some entry fee. You get a 10% cashback on everything you spend, instantly credited to your card. Imagine buying groceries, paying for your ride, or grabbing a new gadget and getting 10% back. That's serious savings, right? But it's not just about the cashback. BlackCard has a bunch of other cool features. It's globally accepted, so whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, you can use it anywhere. And there's this AI-driven liquidity system that makes sure your transactions go through smoothly, no matter where you are. No more worrying about currency exchanges or international fees, just seamless crypto spending. Now, let's talk about what's coming down the pipeline. BlackCard has some big plans for the future. By 2025, they're aiming to launch their own blockchain, called BlackCardChain, that's designed for asset tokenization and cross-chain interoperability. This could be a game changer, allowing for more complex financial services and even replacing traditional systems like SWIFT and SEPA. They're also looking to expand into NFTs and other DeFi applications, making BlackCard more than just a debit card. It's a whole ecosystem. As for the tokenomics, there's a total supply of 150 million BCCoins, with 60 million reserved for user rewards and 90 million locked in PancakeSwap for liquidity. This setup helps ensure there's always enough liquidity and keeps the value of the coin stable, which is crucial for a project like this. So, if you're curious about the BlackCard and want to learn more, check out BlackCardCoin's website. They've got a ton of resources and white papers that dive into the nitty-gritty details. And if you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, crypto insights, and all the latest blockchain news. Hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.